guys, so today we're going to be unbagging my Ipsy bag for the month of September. Yes, we're in September. I had this for a little bit. I haven't opened it. For some reason they taped it. And so let's go ahead and open this up real quick and see what we get in September's Ipsy bag. So the first thing I got is a Henley lip treatment mauve pink. This is something that I went ahead and picked up with my points. I decided that this is something that I wanted to try. I have actually tried out the clear one and I wanted to try the tinted one. So this is something that I spent my points on. All right, so this month's bag looks like this. Here we go. It looks like this. This is actually a really cute bag. It's kind of a mesh bag. It's not one of those ones that you get that are like silky. It's definitely like more cloth-like. Really pretty, actually. This is actually a really cute bag. Some of these bags I like and some of them I don't, and this is one that I find to be kind of cute. So let's get right into the bag and see what they sent me. All right, the first thing I have here, this is a hand lotion from Hemp's. I actually got one of these not too long ago, and I think it was an Ipsy bag, and I really liked it. It was like a coconut pineapple one. So this one is a triple moisture herbal body cream all day moisturizer, pure herbal essence. I don't know if this one, if that's the flavor or the scent. That smells really pretty. So I love these. These are actually really nourishing, and I'm always happy to get more hand lotions. I work in a place where I have to wash my hands constantly, so I'm always excited to get more stuff to nourish my hands and stuff. The next thing I got is a Nomad Around the World light infused powder. Here's what it looks like in the box, and then when you pull it out, it's like a little, it's like a little compact there. It says it is cruelty-free and 12 months shelf life. Let's see. Oh, I think it's an eyeshadow. Is it an eyeshadow? I'm gonna say it's an eyeshadow, but that's what it looks like there. So that's really cute. All right, so the next thing I have here is from Smashbox. It is the Photo Finish Primerizer. Photo Finish Primerizer. I can't say it right, but this is actually really nice. It works really well. I've actually had this in a very small container before, but I'm really happy to get another one because I think this actually does work really well. So I'm happy to get that. The next thing I have here is from Tracis, and it looks like a lipstick, and it looks like it's in pink. Ooh, that's pretty pink. Might be a little bit too pink for me, but this is what it looks like here. The color that it came in is, I don't know, it doesn't tell me. So that's a lipstick. It's kind of creamy, but not too creamy. And then the last thing I have here is I don't know, let me open the little baggie. My camera is about to die, so hopefully I can get through this before it dies. The last thing I have is M&M. M&M. And it looks like an eyeshadow. So let's go ahead and see. It's definitely an eyeshadow. So this is a definite like charcoal colored eyeshadow. Has a little bit of shimmer in it. But that is everything that I got in my Ipsy bag this month. So I'm actually excited about the stuff I got. Some of it I do like. I'm really excited to get some more of the Smashbox Primerizer. I love Hemp's. I think the stuff from them is great. I did get the Hennessy on my points, but I knew I was going to love it, so that's why I ordered it. And then the eyeshadow slash blush. I don't know. I'll have to look up and see what this is exactly. Shimmer, peach shade, multiple. It's got to be an eyeshadow. It doesn't really say it on the package, but that's a pretty color, so I'm excited to give that a try. And then the lipstick, not really my color, but it might work for a liner of some sort, like a lip liner. And I think that was everything I got. Oh, this. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. We'll see how that works out for me. But that was everything I got for the month of September. Let me know what you guys got in your bags, and I shall talk to you guys sometime within the week.